In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your password on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile page. After that, tap right here at 3 lines, select Settings and Privacy, and then go to Meta Account Center. After that, go to Password and Security, and that's where we can easily find Change Password. Then select your current Instagram account for which you would like to change a password. Enter your current password in the first text field, and then enter new password here, and then retype it. Keep in mind that you'll be logged out of all sessions except this one to protect your account if anyone is trying to gain access. Your new password must be at least 6 characters long and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters, like in that example. Once you are done with that, tap Add Change Password.